Hey guys, what's up? Just to update you a little bit. I'm in the Skoda, my friend's car, and helping my friend move all the way up to Norrland. Yeah, to try out a new job and just gonna help out. And we rented this one-way trailer. By the way, don't copy the filming here, but yeah, the car has now gone 15,500 miles, Swedish miles, so 155,000 kilometers. 2011 Skoda Octavia 2.0 turbo diesel, 140 horsepower. There are 170 horsepower versions as well, the exact same engine, only like software, different software. And this 140 horsepower is more than enough, but sure, 170 would be nice. You can, of course, I think you just upgrade it to 171. I'm not sure, but yeah, rocking this nice stereo here. It's Skoda Columbus. It's got really big side door speakers, very good audio. You know, if you've been following me, I've been talking a lot about this car, and it's pretty shitty. We had lots of problems with it. The steering wheel module broke, the multi-rem tightener broke in the engine, and like the harmonic balancer for that, or whatever it's called. All of the shocks have gone. We have replaced all of the springs, I mean, not the shocks, the springs. And yeah, there was some more problems as well. The daylight running bulbs melted away. Just replace those for like the second time. They don't get good connection. I don't know, I bent the pin there now. But yeah, so we just thought I'd update you guys, talk a bit about the car, how it's going with this car. We just replaced the cam belt, I don't know what's it called in English, but the belt for the engine is very important. You're actually supposed to change it at 210,000 kilometers. But since the years have gone past and we checked it and it was cracking, a bit cracks, we just replaced it now for peace of mind. And also we replaced the TSG, the double clutch gearbox fluid and filter. And what more did we do? I just changed to the correct oil. We didn't have the correct oil earlier because now in Norrland it's going to be very cold in the winter. So we need like 5W30 at least. There is also 0W, I think, but yeah, 5W30 or 40, I think. You need to have WV Volkswagen 507 type oil, which is even stricter particle filter cleaning additives and stuff than my BMW 6-cylinder diesel I had from 2008. So you need an even more expensive or like high-tech oil for this engine. They have like more requirements for this particle filter, because I don't know if you remember, but we had the light come on all the time earlier, and I don't know if it's because of the oil, but yeah, now we changed to the correct one. And also the filter, earlier we bought a Biltema oil filter, and I can not recommend that, man, because they are cheap for a reason, you know. They are lower quality. And also the filter size was smaller, so I was surprised when I bought the Bosch one, and I thought like it should not fit because it was bigger, but it did fit. And apparently it's just bigger because it's better quality, so it's more filter material. Very interesting. And also the oil, it was not from Biltema. They didn't have this type of oil yet. It said it's incoming. There's a nice old Iveco passing us. So yeah, what else is there to say? I don't know. I'm not yet back to work, but soon again. And I'll record new videos. In the meantime, I'll see if I can put on some old videos to keep the channel active a little bit. I don't know how you liked the last one. It was very cool. I tried some AI stuff with the intro there, and just like smudged up the quality somehow with some sharpening and stuff in the editor. It was really cool. Chuck that Volvo FM 410, like really old and beaten up, and the engine sound pretty epic with the turbo blow-offs and really noisy engine brake. Yeah, so check out my latest truck video there if you haven't. And yeah, enjoy the last bit of summer, guys. Take care. That's about it, I guess. Really loaded up the car here to the max. Like really, there's a TV back there, there's like 3 boxes here, there's like 4 or 5 boxes in the back, plus a bunch of other stuff. I just played Tetris. I used my trucking skills and loaded up all the heavy stuff in the car, because I wanted the trailer to be as light as possible. So yeah, that's that. Checked all the lights. I think you need to pump up the tires a little bit though for better zag holding, you know, stability. All right, see you guys around. Bye bye. jävlar. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Jag gömmer mig i grottan. Alltså om jag tappar ner mobilen här är det kört.